Before the start of the Mahabharata war in Kurukshetra, Arjun asked question to Lord Shri Krishna. कौन है जो हार जाता है? ऐसा कौन है जिसे सिद्धियां प्राप्त नहीं होती? ऐसा कौन है जो कामयाब तो हो सकता है पर नाकामयाब रह जाता है? ऐसा कौन है जिसे जीवन में खुशियां नहीं मिलती? आंसर है संशयात्मा विनश्यति। इसका मतलब डाउटफुल सेल्फ। जो इंसान डाउट में रहता है, जिसको खुद पे भरोसा नहीं होता, वो इंसान जीवन में हार जाता है।
अभी वो वक्त नहीं आया है, कोशिश करने वालों के हाथ में कभी फल नहीं आया है कि हार हरा दे। अभी वो वक्त नहीं आया है, कोशिश करने वालों के हाथ में कभी फल नहीं आया है। और जो करना चाहते हो आज करो, कल करने वालों का कभी कल नहीं आया है।
Today you are going to have a beautiful session. Two students will come onto the stage. They will speak on some topics. Okay, you have to decide who is better. So let's start this beautiful session. So who is going to come onto the stage? So I think we should not waste our time. We should call the first speaker of the day, and his name is Mr. Kinshu Raj. Please come onto the stage.
मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मंजिल से आगे बढ़कर मंजिल तलाश कर, मिल जाए तुझको दरिया तो समंदर तलाश कर। हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, हर शीशा टूट जाता है पत्थर की चोट से, पत्थर ही टूट जाए वो शीशा तलाश कर।
Yeah, after this, one more line in this beautiful statement. सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ, सदियां गुजर गई। सजदों से तेरे क्या हुआ, सदियां गुजर गई। दुनिया ही बदल जाए तेरी, ऐसा कोई सस्ता तलाश कर। दुनिया ही बदल जाए तेरी, ऐसा कोई सस्ता तलाश कर।
Hello, a glorious morning to all of you. Good morning. How are you, friends? How are you? I am also fine. My name is Kinshu Raj, and today I would like to share a beautiful topic: self-belief. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Self-belief is like having a superhero power. It's believing in yourself and trusting you can do great things, and about feeling good who you are. Self-belief is the gatekeeper that stands between future and current. Yourself is your biggest friend. Self-belief is decided your future, direction and condition. You know, the greatest gift that human has the ability to think and believe. Belief in oneself. Belief in oneself is like a seed that when nurtured with dedication and perseverance grow in the might of trees of success. Self-belief is just not about thinking positively, it's about trusting yourself. Humans have reached the moon just because of their beliefs. This is our nature, that as human, we are all born alive, but our success lies in that is don't die alive. हम क्या हैं, हम क्या रहे हैं, इसका इस बात से कोई लेना देना नहीं है कि हम भविष्य में क्या बन सकते हैं. This is a fact that world will not believe in us. But if we stop believing in yourself, then where would we go? So trust yourself. Have that belief in your belief is form of strong belief. Napoleon Hill once said, whatever the mind can, a man can conceive, and believe the mind can achieve. Whatever you want to take, you can, but you need to pay its value. We have self-belief, we feel like more confident, more motivated and energized. We have self-belief, we like to take more chances, embarrass on a step outside our comfort zone. Look in the mirror and see a better you. Your self-belief can help us climb mountains, so get up and get moving. हमको हर चीज पे विश्वास है, हमको हर चीज पे विश्वास है। सूरज, चांद, पानी, कागज, कलम, कॉपी, मेनली इंसान। हमको हर चीज पे भरोसा है, इसलिए खुद पे भरोसा नहीं है। जिस दिन हमको खुद पे भरोसा होगा, इन सब चीज मायने नहीं रखेगा। इट्स नथिंग विल मैटर। Before the start of the Mahabharat war in Kurukshetra, Arjun asked question to Lord Shri Krishna. ऐसा कौन है जो हार जाता है? ऐसा कौन है जिसे सिद्धियां प्राप्त नहीं होती? ऐसा कौन है जो कामयाब तो हो सकता है पर नाकामयाब रह जाता है? ऐसा कौन है जिसे जीवन में खुशियां नहीं मिलती? आंसर है संशयात्मा विनश्यति। इसका मतलब डाउटफुल सेल्फ। जो इंसान डाउट में रहता है, जिसको खुद पे भरोसा नहीं होता, वो इंसान जीवन में हार जाता है। You can doubt anyone in your life, but never doubt in yourself. Low self-belief in result is low self-doubt, which is makes and turn on individual interior sensitive to criticism. Try to recognize your strength and accepting your weakness. Always try to expressing your feelings, thoughts, ideas. We don't need to feel guilty for expressing your thoughts, ideas.
That's great. Great. Good point. Beautiful.
Whatever the want you couldn't do it. Repetition. Try again.
Try again. Try again. Good point. Let's try again. Speak this statement once again, please.
Whatever work you couldn't do it. Repetition. Try again. I want to say a poem. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चढ़ती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पे 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना खरता है। मेहनत आखिर उनकी नाकामयाब नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। Self belief is like your secret weapon. It's help you to take on challenges, make you feel good yourself, and opens up the world of possibilities. Don't prove yourself, just improve yourself. When no one trusts you, trust yourself. You are going to make a magic one day. I think the biggest pressure the youth of facing is today in believe in themselves. To know you are unique makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourself with others. I think that is what you need to understand. Come out for a speak yourself, and you are the leader of your life. Our journey is a masterpiece. Paint it with the colors of self-belief. Believe in yourself, everything is possible.
That's great. Beautiful.
In life, I believe you don't have to compete with anyone. The only you compete is with yourself.
Yourself. Yeah.
There is saying, butterfly cannot see their wings. They don't know how truly beautiful they are. We people like that as well. हम दरिया हैं जनाब, हम दरिया हैं जनाब, हमें अपना हुनर मालूम है, हमें अपना हुनर मालूम है, हम जिस तरफ चल पड़ेंगे राह हो जाएगी। And I lastly said one quote in Hindi. किसी ने बड़ी खूब की बात कही है, किसी ने बड़े कमाल की बात कही है, किसी ने बड़े कमाल की बात कही है, इंसान की बातों को दिल पे ना लगाया करो, इंसान की बातों को दिल पे ना लगाया करो। लोग तो अमरूद खरीदने से पहले भी पूछते हैं मीठा है ना, और बाद में नमक डाल के खाते हैं। So thank you for carefully listen my words. So thank you so much.
Okay. Very well done. Okay. So he was speaking about yourself. There is no competition with others. You have competition with yourself. Right. You must understand this beautiful thing. That is why it is said very beautifully in Hindi. That is, ना हम सफर से निकलेगा, ना हम सफर से निकलेगा, ना हम नशी से निकलेगा, हमारे पैर का कांटा हम ही से निकलेगा। हमारे पैर means what? You have to decide your fortune. You can decide your luck. Everything is in your hands. Don't worry about others. This world will have always some questions. Don't try to answer every question of this world. Just try to solve your puzzle. Try to solve your puzzle. Be complicated for this world and try to be the easiest person to yourself. That is how you can make your life better and better. Thank you. Next, I'll call another.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? I am absolutely fine. So my name is Khushi. I am here to tell you about my topic, self-belief. So guys, first of all, what is self-belief? Self-belief means having a belief in ourselves. Self-belief also an important factor for a healthy and positive lifestyle. It doesn't mean that confident persons can always able to face any difficult situations in their life. So guys, self-belief also an important in our life. Self-belief is a superpower once you start to believe in yourself. Self-magic starts happening, so always be confident. Self-belief is a feeling of trust in one's abilities, qualities and judgment. So guys, I want to share one beautiful quote, that is, हार हरा दे अभी वो वक्त नहीं आया है, कोशिश करने वालों के हाथ में कभी फल नहीं आया है। कि हार हरा दे अभी वो वक्त नहीं आया है, कोशिश करने वालों के हाथ में कभी फल नहीं आया है, और जो करना चाहते हो आज करो, कल करने वालों का कभी कल नहीं आया है। People with confidence listen more than they speak because they don't feel like they have anything to prove. Greater confidence makes you more willing to take smart risks and more able to outside your comfort zone. So guys, I think confidence is better than perfection means doing the best. But confidence means knowing how to handle the words. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you successful persons. Believe in yourself, the world will follow. Self-belief is the first step to success opening doors. So guys, I would like to share one beautiful quote, that is, मैथ के चक्कर में रीजनिंग छूट जाती है, जीके बनाओ तो जीएस रूठ जाती है। कि मैथ के चक्कर में रीजनिंग छूट जाती है, जीके बनाओ तो जीएस रूठ जाती है। छोटी सी गलती से अगर एग्जाम ना निकले तो इन पड़ोसियों के ताने से मंजिल पाने की आस टूट जाती है। So guys, your belief determines, your actions determines, but your belief, that's why you have to believe. So guys, forgive your younger self, believe in your current self and build your future selves. You are braver than you believe. You are stronger than you think. You are smarter than you think. Happiness is a critical element of confidence. In order to be confident, what you do, you have to be happy. Who are you? People call me arrogant. I call it self-confidence. I am who I am. You like it, great. And you don't like it, great. I don't care. You know guys, I think people will believe not. I think it's self-thought. I don't think confidence is just something that it's a skill set. I was extremely, I had very low self-esteem. Am I right? So guys, there was my mom next to me, stronger than ever. She said the most important thing to always trust in myself. If I am doing something because I love it, if I am doing, I should do it because I love it. I believe I can do it. So guys, I would like to share one beautiful quote, that is, आत्मविश्वास रख तेरा वक्त भी आएगा, कि आत्मविश्वास रख तेरा वक्त भी आएगा, सफलता भी मिलेगा और मजा भी आएगा. So all my dear friends, believing in yourselves and everything is possible. So thank you.